Have you ever felt like your life turned upside down in a matter of months? That's exactly what happened to me in 2014. In a span of 6 months, I ended a 4-year relationship. I left a job I had been at for 2 years, and I had moved from San Francisco to suburbs of Mountain View. Suddenly, I went from being deeply connected to multiple communities in SF to feeling isolated and without a support network in Mountain View. After 3 years of living in SF, I felt like I was starting from scratch. That experience of disconnection made me acutely aware of the value of community. As I looked for other groups to join, I was disappointed. Many were too focused on one specific activity, didn't have enough events, or didn't emphasis on making genuine connections. This frustration reminded me of my time living in Manila, where I was a part of this amazing SFAC community. We would meet multiple times a week for diverse events like group dinners, happy hours, going dancing, and going on weekend trips. It was a vibrant, diverse, supportive community where I made so many lasting friendships and had some of the best times of my life. I was determined to recreate that sense of belonging for myself and others. That's when I started Urban Adventure Club. I envisioned UAC as a community for members with diverse interests who can enjoy a variety of events, who value connections and invested the time to really getting to know each other, and who crave fun and memorable experiences that lead to real friendships. Since 2015, UAC has helped countless members make hundreds of genuine friendships and a few marriages, including mine. I met my wife, Alicia, in November of 2015 on the first ever Lake Tahoe ski trip I hosted. And 9 years later, we have 2 beautiful children, Archer and Aria. SF Adventurers Club is the newest iteration of this vision. With a stronger focus on smaller, intimate events, we help you skip the small talk and really get to connect with each other. We offer a diverse set of events that help you explore San Francisco, try all the new places, and find a new hobby. SFAC is private and invite only because I believe in growing the community organically and also making sure that every member is a great fit for the community. If you're watching this, feeling the weight of loneliness and disconnection, know that you're not alone. We all need a community that we feel like we belong to. And SFAC is here to offer you just that. I believe that making new friends and genuine connections takes time and effort, but it is the best investment you can ever make. I encourage you to join our events, meet like-minded people, invest in building real friendships. I believe so strongly in the power of our community that if you attend 3 events and find it's not for you, I'll refund you your membership fee. You have nothing to lose. Take a leap, embrace new adventures, and discover the joy that genuine friendships can bring you with SFAC. I can't wait to welcome you. See ya.